CoDominance. We have learned about Mendel's laws of inheritance in previous videos. If you have not watched it already, watch it now by clicking on the link above. So, during the rediscovery of Mendelian principles in 1900, geneticists repeated Mendel's experiments using other organisms and different phenotypes. Many deviations to Mendelian ratios were observed in different plants and animals, due to genetic interactions. This led to Post-Mendelian genetics, which is also known as Neo-Mendelian genetics. As the definition says, codominance is the pattern of inheritance in which both the alleles of a gene have equal ability to express in heterogeneous condition. Or, it can be stated as, when the two alleles neither show dominant recessive relationship, nor show intermediate condition, but both of them express equally is called codominance, and the alleles are called as codominant alleles. Now, to understand this, let's take an example of a cross between cattle with red-colored hair and white-colored hair. So their phenotype, that is their physical appearance, would show presence of red coat and white coat. The genotype of red-haired cattle is RR, while that of white-haired is WW. Thus the gamete formed by red-haired cattle is R, and white-haired cattle is W. The cross from these two gametes gives rise to an F1 generation hybrid. This hybrid shows a roan coat color. Actually, roan is not a color, but it is a mixture of red and white colored hairs on the skin. It means that both the traits are expressed equally. And this hybrid has a genotype, RW. If this F1 generation hybrid having roan coat is selfed, it would give rise to two gametes, that is R and W. After selfing, it shows cattle with red coat, roan coat, and white coat, all in the ratio of 1:2:1. This means 25% of cattle would have only red hair, 50% would show a roan coat, and the left 25% would show a white coat. Here is a checkerboard, or Punnett square representation of F2 generation, which too shows the same ratios. In the F2 generation, red, roans, and whites are produced in the proportion of 1:2:1. In codominance, the phenotypic and the genotypic ratios are same, that is 1:2:1. Codominance is different from incomplete dominance, because there is no formation of intermediate character, that is pink, but both the red and white hairs are produced in equal quantity. This completes codominance. Comment down if you have any doubts.